Hello, everyone, and welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. In this video, we are going to look at how to build and customize a 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI using our sample Superstore dataset. Use this chart type when you want to compare the relative percentage that individual segments contribute to a whole across different categories. Unlike standard stacked charts that show total absolute numbers, the 100% stacked bar chart normalizes your data, making every single horizontal bar equal to 100%. To get started, navigate to the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. Look at the first row of visual icons. Click on the fifth icon from the left, labeled 100% Stacked Bar Chart. Clicking this drops a blank gray visual frame directly onto your report canvas. Now, let's map our data fields using the buckets directly beneath your visual icons. First, let's set up our horizontal rows. From your orders table, drag the category column and drop it into the Y-axis bucket. Second, let's bring in our metrics. Grab the sales column and slide it straight into the X-axis bucket. Third, let's create the percentage breakdown. Grab your region column and drag it down into the legend bucket. Look at the canvas. All bars now span to the exact same total length on the horizontal axis, split into percentage shares for the Central, East, South, and West regions. Right now, it's hard to see the exact breakdown. Let's add numbers to make this presentation ready. With your chart selected, click the Format Visual Paintbrush icon in the pane. Scroll down to the Data Labels option and toggle it to On. Notice a key feature of this chart. Power BI automatically calculates and prints the exact percentage on top of each segment, saving you from creating complex DAX calculations manually. If you hover over any segment, the tooltip will still show you the raw sales currency value alongside that percentage. And that's it. You now know how to build a professional 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI. If this quick, direct tutorial was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more precise software lessons. Thanks for watching.